Welcome to PLP. This video will showcase the installation procedure for the FIBERLIGN Limited Tension Dead-End Bracket. The FIBERLIGN Limited Tension Dead-End Bracket is designed to optimize pole utilization by consolidating cable attachment points, reducing both required hardware and occupied pole space at double dead-end locations. This bracket is designed for installation with 2 anchor shackles and FIBERLIGN Limited Tension Dead-Ends. Find the desired location of the limited tension dead-end bracket and install a 5/8 inch through or double arming bolt. Ensure the bolt has at least 3 inches of exposed thread prior to installation of the bracket. Install the bracket onto the bolt and secure it with a 2-inch square washer and 5/8 inch nut. Tighten the nut to secure the bracket. For banding applications, the limited tension dead-end bracket may receive up to 1 1/4 inch banding. Prepare the limited tension dead-end bracket by installing both anchor shackles onto the ears of the bracket. Ensure all pins are seated properly and the cotter key is fully engaged within each pin. For the dead-end application, follow the installation instructions of the limited tension dead-end, where the extension link interfaces with each appropriate anchor shackle. Attach the extension link to the anchor shackle on the bracket. Next, install the thimble clevis. Ensure all pins are seated properly and the cotter key is fully engaged within each pin. Install the limited tension dead-end onto the thimble clevis. Bring the dead-end up to the cable and mark the location of the crossover mark onto the cable. Ensure the mark of the cable lines up with the crossover mark of the dead end. Begin wrapping the structural reinforcing rods of the dead end to the cable. Ensure the crossover mark of the rods aligns with the mark on the cable. Ensure the structural reinforcing rod ends are completely wrapped around the cable. Install the dead end over the structural reinforcing rods and make sure the crossover marks are aligned. Splitting the ends of the rods may make installation easier. Installation is complete once the rod ends are fully seated. While the bracket may accommodate line angles up to 90 degrees, it is important to ensure a proper bend radius is maintained between each dead end after installation.